How to log in to US Bank online banking account. In order to do that, simply open your browser and then search for US Bank in there. After searching for US Bank, this first link of usbank.com will appear. Under that, you will get to see this option of mobile and online banking. Select mobile and online banking in order to proceed with logging in to online banking. Now you will directly get to see this option of log in from the very top right corner. Tap to log in button and it will show you the login page at very first. Now first of all, you just simply need to enter your username in here, and after that you can check this box if you want to save your login information in your browser, otherwise leave it as it was. Then enter your password which is associated with the account that you want to log in, and after entering your username and password correctly, just simply tap to log in with password. Then after doing this very easy step, you can very easily be logged in to US Bank online banking account.